Have you ever been curious about the pests in your home? Those uninvited guests like cockroaches, rats and more that we often see as irksome invaders. Sure, they are usually seen as a nuisance, but did you know there's a whole other side to these intriguing creatures? Yes, there are some fascinating and lesser-known facts associated with these pests that might just surprise you. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the world of pests. Are you ready to change your perspective on pests? Delving into the world of pests, you might be surprised by what you find. These creatures, often seen as mere irritants, have fascinating traits that make them a compelling subject of study. Take cockroaches, for instance. These resilient insects can survive without their heads for an entire week. Yes, you heard it right, a full 7 days. They breathe through tiny holes in their body segments, so decapitation doesn't immediately spell doom. Moving on to rodents, did you know their teeth never stop growing? It's true. This is why they're always gnawing on things, not because they're intentionally trying to ruin your furniture, but to prevent their teeth from growing into their necks and causing fatal injuries. And let's not forget about termites. While they might be a homeowner's nightmare, they're actually good for the ecosystem. These little architects help break down dead wood and turn it into fertile soil, playing a crucial role in nutrient cycling. It's amazing, isn't it? These pests, which we often just swat away or run from, are more than what meets the eye. They're not just nuisances, but creatures with intriguing adaptations and significant roles in our ecosystems. Unveiling the truth about pests, we see they are not simply villains, but complex organisms navigating their way through life, just like the rest of us. Now, don't you feel a little more intrigued by these commonly disliked creatures? Aren't pests more fascinating than you initially thought? As we've uncovered today, these creatures, often seen as mere nuisances, actually play significant roles in our ecosystem. From the industrious ants to the resilient cockroaches, each has its unique traits and survival strategies. We've also peeled back the curtain on the impact pests can have on our lives. They can affect our health, our homes, and even our food supplies. But armed with this knowledge, we can devise more effective strategies to control their populations and safeguard our environments. Understanding pests isn't just about coping with their presence, it's about coexisting and maintaining a healthy balance. After all, they're part of our world too. So let's continue to explore, to learn, and to adapt. Let's bridge the gap between us and them. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of pests, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights.